know the answer, raise your hand. And your teacher said yes. Mr. Yeah, right. So we'll want anyone to answer, right? Okay, you didn't know the answer, just raise your hand. Okay? So I give the time to some people go. Okay?
Thank you, Wendy. Boys and girls, we're really thankful to have you all to part in Hong Kong House today. So it's been a week since you've been in Sydney, so I wanted to find out how well do you know Australia and New Zealand. So if you can turn to the slide over here, there will be some 6 questions. So if you answer each question right, you get a special prize. So all right, let's start with the first question. Okay, who is this handsome gentleman here? Who's the fastest? C.
D.
Oh, D. Yes.
Correct.
Yeah, correct. So, Malcolm Turnbull is actually the Prime Minister of Australia. He represents the Labour, well, he's the Labour leader of the Labour Party. So we have 2 parties in Australia. So he's the leader of the Labour Party. And yeah, so that's very good. Well done. So
You have to present the prize first, give them the prize. Okay.
yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah, let's have some more hands.
Prize is some very valuable Australian stamps. So,
That's why more hands up, right? So, your teacher should point who to answer, right?
Ryan, okay?
C. Oh, C, well done.
Both the time.
So just explain what the Australian flag means. So you have got the, so there's obviously three elements. So you've got the United Kingdom's, what we call it, Union Jacks. Yeah, very good. That represents the links to Australia and the United Kingdom. And then you got the Commonwealth Stars, which is over here, where there is 7 points of the star, and that's also representing 6 different states. And then you've also got the Southern Stars over here, which would say pretty much you can see the Southern Stars only in the Southern Hemisphere in Australia. So it is a geographic meaning for that flag. So, all right, question 3. Wow, I don't even have so we need a, yeah,
Glasses.
B.
Okay, my turn. Alicia.
A. A is correct.
Come out, price. Over here, over here, over here.
Okay, just to explain why Canberra is the capital city of Australia. Originally, it was Melbourne, but Sydney was saying that they are the first state, first city in Australia. So there's a bit of disagreement there. So that's why they have Canberra, which is located between Melbourne and Sydney, and it's actually about 290 kilometers away south of Sydney. So it's a wonderful place. It's also called the Australian Capital Territory. Okay, next one up, the question 4. Okay. Wow. B. Correct. Correct. So B is correct, it's emu. So why is emu? So obviously it's a native animals here in Australia. It's the largest birds also in Australia, and also emu and kangaroo cannot walk backwards. So that actually means that it's because it cannot move backwards. It's actually a meaning of helping the country as a whole to move forward, to look forward, willingness to progress. So that's the correct meaning. All right, next question, 5. I don't have to say the question, do I?
Okay, so about rugby.
Wow. So you have to get 2 answers right for this one. Okay. You don't want to go?
Yes.
B and C. Sorry, no. Wow.
C is correct.
Which one? What is it? A and C.
Yes, right.
Correct.
Yeah, correct.
So it's the All Blacks and the Wallabies. So A for All Blacks is actually the New Zealand rugby team. So why they have that name is because it's first introduced, they participated in the international tournament back in 1905. So that's where they got the name for All Blacks, and also their uniform as well. And C, Wallabies, is actually a smaller version of kangaroo. So it's an Australian icon as well. All right, last question. Last chance. So what is the name of this famous landmark in Australia?
Bill.
Oh, which one? E. B. No, sorry, one more try. One more try. It's a gift only.
The Ayers Rock.
So the correct answer is B, Ayers Rocks. It's actually located, it's got another name called Uluru, which is located in the Northern Territory, northern part of Australia. So it is a major, massive sandstone, and also that it is a special place for Aboriginal people in Hong Kong, in Cantonese we call 澳洲人土人. And then also in terms of Paris rocks, it actually changed colors in the period of sunset and sunrise. So it is a very special location. All right, that's all the fun part for me. I will give it to you.
Yes, we have prepared some drinks for you to try out today. Yes, so some juice and also some water. So just at the back. So maybe you can take some drinks first, and then after that, we will have teach you all around, this building. If you have any questions about this building, just ask my colleagues. Okay? Okay, happy to see. I'm sorry. So one very important moment is a group photo, right? So do you want to get together? Yes, okay. Maybe, yeah. Before the drinks, okay? Let's have the group photo.